Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor. Today's date is 2nd November. The topic of this video is difference between array list and linked list. We had already discussed what is a collection framework. Collection framework is nothing but a set of predefined classes and interface which is used to perform the basic operations and also add multiple data. This collection hierarchy of this collection framework is it has three sub interfaces that are list interface, deque interface and set interface. So out of this, the list interface contains three more sub interface that are array list, linked list and vector. Now we will see the difference between our array list and linked list using some parameters. The first point of comparison is the syntax. The array list act as a list data structure, whereas this linked list act as a list and deque. The array list act as a list because this inherits only the list interface, whereas the linked list inherits the list interface as well as deque interface. So this deque interface allows it to act as a deque. Then the second point of comparison is key features. The key feature of array list is it is growable and resizable data structure. So the problem with our conventional array was its size we need to declare previously, and that size we cannot change, we cannot add or subtract it. This size will be constant. If some elements are missing or we didn't add some elements up to the length, then that will be the memory wastage. So that drawback is avoided in this array list. So this array list size is growable and we can change it at any point of time in program. Whereas this the key feature of this linked list is it is doubly linked list and circular linked list. So what is this doubly linked list? The doubly linked list contains the node values. So this node value allows to access the previous node as well as backward as previous and next node. So it is its example is the card play game, or in browser we have to go to forward and backward. So these are example of this linked list. Then third point of comparison is insertion way. So in array list, the elements are stored in contiguous memory location, whereas in our linked list, the elements are not stored at a contiguous memory location. Then last point of comparison is what is usable for. Then the array list is suitable for the it suitable for getting the element out of the list, or and this linked list is suitable for the insertion and deletion operation. Array list is suitable for retrieval because if you in your code, if program is written in such a way that, or your need is such a way that you have to retrieve the values multiple times, then it will be suitable for you to use the array list. Similarly, if your program is in such a way that you need to add multiple values one after another, and also in between you need to delete some value, then it will be suitable for you or easy for you to use the linked list instead of this array list. So both the statement we can we can set that in vice versa also. That is, array list is not suitable for the insertion and deletion, and linked list is not suitable for the retrieval operation. And that's the difference between the array list and linked list. Thank you.